Hi guys, today I'm going to try to do a couple things, but first I want to introduce you to Eagle 3, my drone, because you haven't really seen it close up before. So here we go. One of my objectives today was to do the parallax, which is to circle a particular object, in this case a group of trees, at a safe distance, keeping it in focus and in the center of the image. Very, very difficult maneuver I'm learning. I'll have to do a lot more practice because it is so sensitive using the sticks in the right way. While I was out here, I took a look at a development which is taking place not far from our home. It's called Garden to Table Community, in which they're going to put 3,500 homes. And as you can see, the preparatory work has already started. There's some show homes there as well. It's a place called Rangeview in southeast Calgary. Interesting. Let's return to home base now. I did try the FPV mode, but I really didn't care for it, so I have no video of that. I will stick with what I do regularly, which is the follow me mode, which keeps the gimbal level. There we go. Down to the landing pad, safe and sound. Thanks for watching, guys.